everybody, it's Shannon here, Art Junkie. How are you all doing? Good to see you. This is my beginner-friendly Monday tutorial video. I will be making these fun and simple face scrubbies. Most of you know that I make some face cloths out of this lovely Mia cotton. This is the cotton I get and use. I get a set of 20 of these little cotton bundles in all different colors, and I mix and match the colors together. This is Mia Premium Hand Knitting Yarns 100% Cotton Mini Cottony. I love this stuff. So this is what we're going to be making. I made one in pink, in purple, and red. I'm running out of colors. I gotta buy more this week. So I'm going to use another red one here that I have. Be using a size 4mm hook. And we made this basket for the plant. So that's something we made. We also made this hat. The reason I'm showing these is because they're all made in the round, doing a circle. We made this little basket, same thing, all made in the round. You can see that in the bottom. So this here is another example of a project done in the round. So we're getting good at making circles at this point in this project. So it's the same thing you've done over the last few videos. That we've learned. So just like we usually do, we're gonna start off with a chain of 4. You can use the magic loop here if you like to use that. Too complicated for me. I flip this little thing over there, and I turn that over and pull through. Now we have a little hole in here. You can find it. There it is. We're gonna chain 1 and do 2 loops. We're gonna do a 11 double crochets into this hole. You see this row here, those 3, that's the number 1. So we're going to do a total of 12. So this is number 2. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm just moving this down a little bit. 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this and pull this closed a little bit. Okay, we're gonna sew this closed at the end, so don't worry about that. Go like this. We're gonna go to the top of this first chain that we made, and we're going to close this. before we do that, let's count, make sure we have our 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's good. So we're going to close it in here. There we are. Chain 1, 2, 3. That's going to be our first for the next row. We're going to put 2 into each of the next rows. Stitches, two double crochets into the next stitch. I already have one on this one, so that's number 2 there. And we're going to go into this stitch here and do 2, 1, 2, and we're going to do 2 stitches, 2 double crochets into every stitch, all the way around. So there we go. And I will meet you back at the top of the round, of the circle. Once we get all the way back to the beginning of the circle, we will connect with you again. Let me count these. $24, that's what we want. Chain it like that again. I'm gonna take this. I'm just gonna stick this in this hole for now, so it's out of view. There, you want to tighten that up a little bit there. Closes the hole up. All right, now the next row is a pattern of 1 single and then 2 together. 1 single, then 2 together. That's the pattern for this row. We're gonna do our 3 little hoops here. We're gonna go into this last stitch here, pull up a loop and do a double crochet. Now we have 2, you can see here. So the next one in this stitch here is going to be a single double crochet, and the next one will be 2 double crochets, and that will be the pattern all the way around. 1 single double crochet in 1 stitch, and the next stitch is the next stitch. Okay, this is a single double crochet, and then 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So that is the pattern now. 1 double crochet. Wait a minute, I got something twisted around here. What is happening here? Okay, there we go. No. There, got it. Okay, so we got 2, 1, 2. And 1. 2. There we go, and a 1. So that's what we're going to do all the way around. It's actually 1, 2, 1, 2. But 2, 1, 1, 2, it doesn't make any difference. It's 1 single crochet in the stitch, and then 2. Okay, hold on a second. The pattern is 1 double crochet into the stitch, and the next stitch 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So we're going to do that all the way around, and when I get back here, I will meet you there. All right, there we go, chain 2, coming back to the next row. That's 3 rows. We're gonna do 1 more, and then we'll do the edge. All right, so again, we're gonna go into that hole and make another double crochet. This row, the pattern is 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. So that's the pattern for this row. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Alrighty. Oops, just lost a little loop there. One more time, 1 double crochet, in case you're new, it's yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through the next. Yarn over, go into the loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 1, go through 2. There we are. So that's the pattern. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. We'll do that all the way around till we get here, and then I'll meet you back, okay? Alrighty, so we're at the end here. We're gonna do a slip stitch here into the top of this. There we go. Alrighty, now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do a little loop-de-loop. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish the end off, and the edges off here. And we're gonna do that with a slip stitch. So we're gonna go in here, pull up a loop, go through the loop, pull that tight a little bit there, go to the next one, and go through, and that's what we're gonna do. Each stitch, we're gonna do a slip stitch through each of the top stitches here, all the way around. There we go. A little slip stitch in each stitch all the way around. So we're going to do that all the way around too. And I will meet you back at the end of the round. Alrighty. This one in here. Do one last one here. And there we are. Alrighty. There we go. There we go. We're gonna clip that. And we're gonna sew this in. Darning needle here. Flip that over like that. Just in our darning needle. I'm going to go like this. like to do 3. Back 1, 2, and then 3. That's 2. And then 3. There we go. Okay, now we do the next one here. Pull this in here. There we are. Pull that together like that. One more back the other way. I need to remember to make my entrance piece of yarn a little longer, but then it gets in the way. You know, so it's half a dozen of one and 6 of the other. I'm gonna put a little bit of this going this way. Okay, there. There we are. Okay. There we go. All right, there we are. Alrighty, so there's our little scrubby. This one's not as nice as the other ones. But anyways, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You got a little set. You could give that as a gift. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Isn't that nice? A nice little gift for someone. Takes you a total of maybe, I don't know, an hour and a half to make 4 of these. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. And so that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow for my show and share and shout outs. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.